So we have high school students all year who have come during their first hour, and they help us make about 350 smoothies, and that becomes the breakfast for our high school and middle school twice a month. We invited Governor Whitmer to come and really celebrate breakfast and what we can do with breakfast, and we wanted to showcase that and share that with her, and she was kind enough to come and make smoothies with us and do the smoothie bike and meet our folks and really kind of celebrate all the great things that breakfast can do.
Yeah, we're very excited to host the governor and her team today to be able to highlight some of the cool things that we're doing around food service, but how it integrates into the rest of our building. Really appreciate Mr. Gorman setting this up, and thank the governor for stopping by.
So Chobani-La Colombe has been a really big supporter of our work in our countywide work creating healthy schools. And so we had received a legacy grant from Chobani-La Colombe for $250,000 to equip a processing kitchen so we can get more local Michigan food to the schools, not just in North Muskegon, but across Muskegon County. I think it just builds some excitement and some enthusiasm around our breakfast program, that we're being identified as doing really good work, not only in Muskegon County, but across the state. And I think that's the acknowledgement that we got for Governor Whitmer being here.